Number 1. Wacom PTH 660p Intuos Pro. With the Wacom PTH 660p Intuos Pro, we entered a completely new dimension of drawing tablets. Whether you want to work digitally or use the good old paper while you work, the Wacom Intuos Pro paper offers endless possibilities. Although it offers a rather small working area of 8.7 x 5.8 inches, the PTH 660p is extremely versatile and fits 5080 LPI inside of that small area. It has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and lag-free tracking with the Pro Pen 2 technology. The biggest innovation on this model is the paper clip on the frame, which enables you to use paper to sketch or draw. It's a dream come true for those who like the feel of paper and miss it in their digital work. It can connect wirelessly to a mobile device in paper mode, and it is compatible with most designing and editing software. Number 2. Wacom One Small. You'd never guess that the first on this list would be one of Wacom's products, since this company has a few high-end models. Still, here it is. The Wacom CTL472K1A1 is the perfect choice for beginners. This model is compact and measures only 8.30 x 5.70 x 0.30 inches and weighs only 0.99 pounds, so you can carry it with you easily. Its 1920 x 1080 pixel resolution won't help you much if you're making extremely detailed and big illustrations or architectural plans, but the working area of 6 x 3.7 inches and pressure sensitivity of 4096 levels is enough to draw simple illustrations, editing photos, or making smaller graphics. It is compatible with most programs, such as Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Corel Painter, Sketchbook, Manga Studio, Paint Tool SAI, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, OSD, and more. The CTL472K1A1 Small doesn't have any buttons on the board, but the battery-free stylus has customizable buttons to make shortcuts for your most used features. Working area size: 6 x 3.7 inches pen resolution, 2048 LPI non-display pressure sensitivity, 4096 levels, compatible with Mac OS X 10.10 and above, or P. Number 3. Huion inspiroink H320M, without screen. The second model on this list, the Huion inspiroink H320M, is also a beginner model. This tablet has a dual function. It can work as an LCD writing tablet and a pen drawing tablet. With a working area of 10 inches, this coin cell battery-powered tablet gives you enough space to create your art, whether you're in animation, illustration, or graphic design. It is a non-display tablet, just like the previous one. This model is extremely customizable, with 11 programmable press keys that you can set according to your needs. The battery-free stylus offers 5080 LPI, which is pretty good for a tablet in this price range, and has 2 programmable press keys to switch between the eraser and the brush. The pressure sensitivity is double the previous one, with 8192 levels. Number 4. XP Pen Artist. With the XP Pen Artist 15.6, we're in the mid-range drawing tablet category. With a big 13.5 x 7.7 inch working area that gives you a 4K resolution on your monitor. The 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity to modify the thickness of various brushes and pens. It has 6 customizable buttons that you can set up according to your work needs. This model comes with battery-free passive stylus that gives you fluidity in your creations and comes with 8 replacement nibs. It has 2 customizable buttons and a 5080 LPI to help you get into detail, especially if you do illustration or architectural plans. It is equipped with an LED backlight and can be used for online teaching and remote meetings, since it's compatible with XSplit, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Twitch, iDrew, Scribbr, Escox Webinar, and Wizik. The model is compatible with most software programs. Number 5. Huion KAMVAS Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Huion KAMVAS 22 Graphics Drawing Tablet is another display tablet on this list. Its capacitive pressure sensor gives you smooth operation, while the 8192 pressure levels enable you to have an extremely accurate pen performance. The model is perfect for artists and graphic designers alike. The pen has virtually no lags and glides across the display. Its 18.7 x 10.5 inch working area gives you a surface big enough for 1960 x 1080p Full HD resolution images. The scratch-resistant surface gives you the paper drawing feel, while the 5080 LPI gives you enough options to customize your brush strokes. The device connects to your computer via the 3-inch USB Type-C.